Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: a modern 4G or 5G phone, up-to-date carrier settings, and good signal. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn cellular back on to force a fresh connection. This often clears weak radio hops. Make sure to choose USB tethering first because it removes Wi-Fi interference and gives lower latency. If you must use a hotspot, set band preference to 5 GHz and limit connected devices to preserve bandwidth. Next, you optimize both ends. Connect by USB with the newest drivers or a quality OTG cable. This reduces packet loss. On your phone, turn off background sync, automatic app updates, and any VPNs that add overhead because these consume upload and increase latency. On your computer, set a fast public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. And in network settings, prioritize the tethered interface so traffic uses the best route. Once configured, tests finish with final tweaks that preserve throughput. Use browser data saving modes, lower video quality, and avoid simultaneous large uploads. These reduce congestion and keep browsing snappy. If performance remains poor, move to a spot with clearer line of sight to the tower, or force a different network band in developer or network settings to find a less crowded channel. If nothing works, reboot both devices, swap cables, and check for carrier throttling. Those steps resolve most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.